Let's go through a little Scott Walker then and now. Scott Walker, the Wisconsin governor, is the ascendant candidate at the moment among the 2016 Republican hopefuls, placed second in the CPAC straw poll over the weekend, leads the polls in Iowa. I want you to listen. This is 2013. Remember, he's gearing up to run for re-election, what he thinks will be a very competitive re-election campaign in the state of Wisconsin. And he's asked about the undocumented, the estimated 11 million here in the United States, and he's asked if they should be able to get a path to legal status or citizenship.
Can you envision a world where, with the right penalties and waiting periods and meet the requirements, where those people could get citizenship?
Sure. Yeah. I mean, I think it makes sense.
Sure, I think it makes sense. That's October 2013 to the Wausau Daily Herald. Here he is on Fox News Sunday yesterday.
My view has changed. I'm flat out saying it. Candidates can say that. Sometimes they don't. I'm saying.
So you've changed from 2013?
Absolutely. I look at the problems we've experienced over the last few years. I've talked to governors on the border and others out there. I've talked to people all across America. And the concerns I have is that we need to secure the border. We ultimately need to put in place a system that works.
Now, politicians should be allowed to change their position, and to his credit, he doesn't try to hide it. He says right there, I've changed my mind. But in 2013, he was with George W. Bush and John McCain and Barack Obama in saying, sure, it makes sense. It'll give people a path to some status. And now he has the Republican mantra, border security first.
A lot of Republicans were at that place in the beginning of 2013. Obviously, Marco Rubio led the Senate immigration bill. This was after they got clobbered, losing Hispanics in the presidential election 3-1. It's just one more example of Republicans bowing to the actual reality of Republican politics, which is that it's very difficult to be for a pathway to citizenship in a Republican primary. Jeb Bush got booed for saying so at CPAC. But you are so right. We were just talking during the break. If this was John McCain or Mitt Romney or sort of a perceived establishment figure, they would be getting drilled by this. But Walker has goodwill and credit with the Republican base. So it seems like this is something he knows he might get a pass on.
Well, for now, though, but he's going to have the Scarlet A for amnesty branded on him, and he's going to have it branded on him by folks to his right. Ted Cruz comes to mind in Iowa. And he's also going to be held to account by folks like Jeb Bush, who are going to say, you're coming after me. You were where I was a couple of years ago until it was convenient for you politically to change. So he's going to get it from both sides on this. So let's see what kind of reception he gets after a bunch of direct mail and TV spots have rained down on his head over this.